Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tacos al pastor. Start by preparing the flavorful marinade for your al pastor. You'll need dried guajillo and ancho chilies, rehydrated and blended with garlic, onion, and a touch of vinegar. Don't forget the achiote paste for that signature color and earthy flavor. A splash of pineapple juice helps tenderize the pork and adds a wonderful sweetness. Marinate your thinly sliced pork shoulder for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. While a traditional trompo is ideal, you can achieve fantastic results at home. Thinly slice your marinated pork shoulder into small, manageable pieces. Heat a large skillet or griddle over medium-high heat with a little oil. Cook the pork in batches, ensuring it gets a nice sear and caramelization. As it cooks, the edges will crisp up and the flavors will deepen. Add some small pieces of fresh pineapple to the pan during the last few minutes of cooking for an authentic touch. Now for the best part, assembling your delicious tacos. Warm your corn tortillas on a comal or in a dry skillet until they are soft and pliable, about 30 seconds per side. Pile a generous amount of the flavorful al pastor pork onto each warm tortilla. The warmth of the tortilla will enhance all the wonderful aromas. Garnish with a sprinkle of finely diced white onion and fresh cilantro. A squeeze of fresh lime juice over the top adds a bright, zesty finish. Your homemade tacos al pastor are ready to be devoured. Serve them immediately while everything is warm and fresh. Offer a selection of your favorite salsas, perhaps a vibrant salsa verde or a smoky salsa roja, to let everyone customize their spice level. A few slices of fresh radish or cucumber on the side can add a refreshing crunch. These tacos are a fantastic way to bring the vibrant flavors of Mexico right into your kitchen. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.